Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for simplifying investing basics. Today, we're tackling how to sell Moomoo stock. Moomoo is a user-friendly trading platform, perfect for beginners, and selling stocks there is easier than you might think. Whether you're locking in profits or adjusting your portfolio, let's break this down step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, make sure you're logged into your Moomoo account. Fire up the app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Enter your username, password, and complete any two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Next, navigate to your portfolio. It's usually right there on the main screen or just a tap away. This is where you'll see all your holdings, like the stocks you've bought. Scroll through until you find the one you want to sell. Tap or click on it to open the details page, where you'll see the current market price, your original purchase price, and any unrealized gains or losses. Now, look for the Sell button. It's often bold and easy to spot. Clicking it will take you to the order entry screen. Here, you'll need to specify how many shares you want to sell. You can choose to sell all of them or just a portion, depending on your strategy. Don't forget to select your order type. For a quick sale, go with a market order, which executes immediately at the current price. If you want more control, opt for a limit order to set a specific price you're willing to sell at. This helps in volatile markets. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the quantity, the estimated proceeds, and any fees Moomoo might charge. Keeping costs low is key to smart trading. Hit that confirm button, and your order is placed. You can then track it in the Orders section to see when it's executed. Remember, selling stocks involves risks like market fluctuations, so always align this with your overall investment plan. There you have it. Selling on Moomoo is straightforward and empowering. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.